Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I want to make no-bake chocolate peanut butter cookies. So let's get started. So first off, we want to add our sugar, milk, and shortening in a saucepan and let the sugar dissolve and the shortening kind of melt. So we put our sugar in. I've turned the heat on to a medium high. Shortening. Now we'll add our milk. We're going to keep stirring this until it comes to a rolling boil. We are at that rolling boil. And that's what we need. Take a spoon and we're going to add all the rest of our ingredients. Our oats. Get our peanut butter in there. Vanilla, salt, cocoa powder, and coconut. Looks like it's pretty good and mixed up. So we are done with our cookies. They're very chocolatey. Very, very chocolatey, which is a good thing. I don't know if I can eat such a chocolatey cookie this early in the morning. So I got just a piece of a cookie here. We're gonna try it. Oh, that's good. Okay, folks. Thanks for stopping by and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.